Good year. Today I'm with Miss Now, and today is Earth Day. We're going to be making some dirt cups and eating some worms.
That's right, because Earth Day is all about our earth and the dirt and the things that live in it, like the worms. So I'll hold the cup. You go ahead and get it going, Quinn. We're going to fill it about 2/3 of the way up with the hard earth. Well, this earth's not that hard. And then we're going to put the dirt on it. A little bit more. Great. Pat it down and clean it up. We have on plastic gloves for sanitary reasons. And go ahead, put the dirt over that earth. Keep going. You're doing a great job. A little bit more. There you go. A little more. And now she's going to put the worms on. And this is sponsored by the PBIS committee, which is Positive Behavior Intervention Strategies. And there you have it, kids. They're coming your way later today.
Quinn here. So what are we doing today?
Today we have the top reader breakfast for all of the students that are being rewarded for their reading during the month of March. They were the top winners of their grade level.
So can I snag a donut?
Oh, I don't know, Quinn. Well, probably not. Well, maybe. So for our Young Fives first and second graders, you guys actually had a tally sheet. Some of them had 20s on them because it was our 20th anniversary of Holly Academy. So we were celebrating the 20th year. And some of you in the older grades, we measured this by accelerated reader and how many words were read. You read throughout the whole month of March, not throughout the whole year, just the month of March. So Claire Rowan is our only Young Five student that was the top winner. You were I think you might have even been the only one that actually entered the contest, Claire. So we're so proud of you. So good job, Claire. It says 2019 and it has a Husky paw on it. So that's your reading award. And in kindergarten, Quinn McGregor. Quinn actually turned in 4 sheets full. So Quinn, was yours a shamrock? Did you have to color shamrocks?
Yeah, and umbrellas.
Shamrocks and umbrellas were on her sheet, and she knew she had some tough competition because there were 3 people that turned in 3 sheets.
Oh my goodness.
So
wow,
Quinn, we are so proud of you. Excellent job. And I want you to keep reading next year so you can continue to be the winner. All right, first grade, congratulations to Austin Duran. He was the top winner. And Austin, you look very handsome today. All right, second grade, we have Sarah Knuth. Good job, Sarah. We are so proud of you, Sarah. Excellent job. Miss Kalinsky's bringing your award over to you. And now it'll get interesting because now I get to tell how many words each of these winners read during the month of March. So in third grade, we had a runner-up from Mrs. Myson's room who read 225,000 in 2 words. But beating that person out was Zoe Willis with 381,748 words. And in 4th grade, we had two students, one read, or actually three total, that were very close to winning. One read 170,737 words. Another one read 197,750 words. But our winner in 4th grade, Levi Emerson, almost read 300,000 words. He had 297,679 words. Levi was so far, he was almost 100,000 words above the person underneath him. All right, and in 5th grade, we had, man, these kids read a lot of words. 5th grade, there was someone from Mrs. Natalie Shepard's class that read 491,000 words, but coming in first place was Max Russell with 526,918 words. And in 6th grade, Ben Foster, you had some people close to you, but you beat them out by over 100,000 words. So Ben, you had 342,139 words. It didn't get measured by our tool during the month of March. And Kimberly Lutz is our 8th grade winner, and Kimberly had 371,507 words. I hope you all like your awards. I think they're super cute. So congratulations to all of you, and thank you for being amazing readers.
Clint here. I heard about a green award. So what I said.
Michigan Green Schools is an Oakland County program that awards schools for their participation in things that are environmental friendly, like recycling, reducing energy use, and such things. And we got to go to the Detroit Zoo this year for getting the reward. We get a patch and a certificate for participation. This is our 3rd year as an evergreen school, which is the highest status. The science department applies for the award every year, but it's not just the science department at Holly Academy that participates. We have our maintenance department has been changing our lights around the school with LED light bulbs as the bulbs burn out, so we use less energy. We have our leadership class collects recycled paper from all the classrooms and participates in our recycling. Our science classes recycle cardboard. Our middle school STEM class makes cardboard sleds and reuses cardboard. Our horticulture and garden class uses cardboard as mulch. So there's several activities around the school. There's over 20 different activities that we have to show that we participate in order to get the award.
Thank you for helping out.
My pleasure.
Hey Huskies! This is the first year that 5th graders get to come to a middle school dance. Mr. Spooner will be your DJ and we'll get glow sticks. So come on down to the middle school gym. Hey guys, it's Kaylee here with Miss Short and my brother Uriah. And a couple months ago, Hafe granted money to Miss Short so she could buy Kindles. How do you like them?
They've been great. We have used them during math time. For differentiation, I've been able to allow students about 20 minutes working on tablets on our math apps while I work with small groups, and then they switch, and we've done that a couple times during the week. During Reading Power Up, we've been able to utilize the free year of Kindle Unlimited and read. We have access to thousands of books we've been able to read during that time.
Thanks, Hafe! Right now, 5th grade is doing their electives. I chose Spanish drama because I want to learn more about theater. Rose, what are you doing?
I'm doing symphonic band with Mr. Dufresne because I want to learn an instrument.
Miyumi?
I want to do Spanish art and food because I really like doing art and I want to try like new cultures, foods. So, yeah.
Brooklyn?
I'm doing advanced conditioning with Mr. Spooner because I want to get in shape and really fit.
And last but not least, Vasile.
I'm doing Lego robotics with Mr. Summers because I never really got to use Legos before.
We're really excited to try our electives!
Hey Huskies, it's McKenna, and today our 6th graders are dissecting sea lampreys with Mrs. McClelland. What are you learning about today?
Well, today we're learning about not only the anatomy of sea lampreys, but how their structures and functions work when they're in the Great Lakes. They're an invasive species that we're learning about. Is that what's causing the decline of the lake trout? It's the great mystery that we're trying to solve.
Have fun, Huskies! Congratulations to our Huskies of the Week. Phoenix Perez in kindergarten, Evelyn Decker in 2nd grade, Mitchell Knoppenberger in 4th grade, and Kimberly Lutz in 8th grade. Thanks for daring to be remarkable.